So guys, uh, I want to start by showing you the folder which I create the folder for the website itself. So this is the folder. It is in the documents. So you come to website. This is the folder which I created and I put the files. So when I create this, it has two files. You have the Java and Java 9. So when I click this one, it has the file itself, the images, and also this one. This one also have also the same files, that is images, and also some bit of the video and the audio. So in this one, the first one have the video itself. So I use the video. I added the video to the code itself, which is this one. I use the editor VS Code to create this website. So first, I created this file and this file, and also has navigations. These are the part of the this is the core part of the index.html, and also has a menu, has also the music part. So and also has in the second one having the files for images and also the styling part, java.css. You have also the job.html and menu.html, music html record, and the surface. These are just the navigation and also the requirements which I use to create a website. So when I run this website, so I just click here. So I just click here, and you see the populate website itself, and you can see the menu part. You have music, tools, services, and the home. These are just the navigations for this website. So you can see the title for the website itself is a Java Charm Coffee Bar. This is just the title for the website. This is just the welcoming part of the website, and you can see the footer itself is at the top. So this just menu of Java is a title also, welcoming part in the footer. So in this part for the music, we have also at the video. So you can you can play this video when you want to play, you can play. So this is the part for the music where you added video itself. And this is a part for the services. So you can see it has all five navigations parts. So I strategies that I put in a place in an horizontal manner or in a portrait way. So you can see this is a page that has 5 pages. This website has 5 pages. Okay, so this is just a website I created. So I think it is okay. So you can see the code for each and every page. So you can see the code for the. Let me just start by showing you. In the first file, you can see the page for the Java for the index of the HTML. You can see the page for the music. You can see the code for the music .html, and also you can see the video itself. So you come to the second one, you can see uh, the job.html code, that is this, and also you can see the code for the menu. This is the code for the menu, and this is the code for the music part, and also this is the code for the service.html. Here it has a file. This website has the 5 pages. So okay, thank you.